Hello all, I'm going to show you how to play Tileman for free with membership using an open source version of Runescape. To begin, you would basically go to darken.org and you would either choose a Windows or Mac Linux version. If you were to choose the Mac Linux one, it would send you to some jar files that you can use. And you would use Java 19 at this moment, but when a new client version is released, it'll probably be Java 21. You install the JRE or the JDK, and then you run it with the jar file. If you're on Windows, you just click on Windows and you run the MSI, and then you're able to install the game. And once you have this game, uh, it will look like this here. So um, it's an open source RuneScape remake written in Java. You would be able to create your account here, and let's just make up some stuff. We'll call it gob at gmail.com. I know that's bad, so let's just do email.com. And we'll do gob at email.com. The email actually doesn't matter. Darken will never email you. Trent won't email you. I won't email you. So it's just whatever you want. You have to be over 18 to play this game, but if you're not, just put 40 or something. And continue. And you get a character name. So we will name this one new. Why don't we just name this one JA Warrior 3? Because why not? And oh, it's already taken. So we'll call it JA Warrior 4. How about that? Okay, it's available. So then you would have the option of these worlds, and you would choose Tileman. Okay, and when you go into the world, uh, you'll be at Tutorial Island. So let's choose this character and just confirm. And here it is. So this would be right after installing it, getting into the right world, and in instances you won't have the need for tiles. But you don't have to go through this. Just talk to Skippy and just hit yes and space through everything. And there you go. You're done. And this is the start of Tileman on Darken. You get free membership. You don't have to worry about anything. And there you go. Let's put it on stereo. And the controls are here at the very top. So home will show you how many tiles you have available. Right now you have disabled tile usage. If you want to enable it, you click support. So it says right here you have enabled tile usage. So let's move one tile and unlock this one. So now we've unlocked this tile. And so let's say it goes away, right? It's going to go away. You want to show it, you hit home. That's your number one tile, right? And let's disable tile usage. You're not able to move. Okay. And let's say you want the tiles to show all the time. You hit forums. Then it shows the tile all the time. Let's enable and move. Let's pickpocket this dude. There you go. Let's get this tile. All right. Block this. And we went up 7 levels. So that's because it's 100x, and you get one tile per level, and you also get one tile per 80,000 experience. So right now you have 10 tiles. And the purpose of this game mode is to finish the game in a month. So everything is sped up. There are a lot of features that are added in a way that will make it so much easier to complete the game. And let's go over some of the features. So let's see. If you look at the latest news on the website, you can see one called Tileman. And what it is it's a temporary world uh, where you go through it for 1 or 2 months based on some restriction, right? So it's going to be Tile Man, and it's based on Settle's Tile Man series. It has these basic features, but it has many more. So 100x XP rate, no item loss on death. Next is soloable, Corp is soloable, still hard, very hard. You have to get near end game gear. Excuse me. QBD is a little bit easier than the typical Darken. In Darken, this guy's no one's killed him yet. Tormented Demons is easier. Lower dungeoneering mobs, 25 times tokens, and it just continues. There's a whole bunch of stuff. You know, you can it saves God War's dungeon kill count, so you don't have to uh, do that kill count every single time you go. And yeah, it's good. And if you want to see the code for Tileman, you could go to GitLab/Jesse Guerrero/Tileman. And if we look in the code, um, you'll be able to see the all the code for Tileman in this RSPS folder. And so I made a little start Tileman cutscene, which was basically the lodestone that you saw at the very beginning, and Tileman here, where you're able to see every single function that was added to the game to make it work right. And so, for example, pickpocketing. Whenever you pickpocket an NPC, you pickpocket him 10 times, and that's it right there. Or whenever you kill an NPC, you get 2 drops, not just one. So we double the NPC drops here. Loyalty points is added every 500 ticks. So yeah, and we also double the lives of herbs and things like that. So yeah, hop onto Darken and see if you like it.